Hey everyone, hope you're doing great and having a lovely time wherever you are. This is Adam from Hyperpix team and I'm back again, this time with an 80s text effect, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your text or logo into this fantastic style without knowing any Photoshop at all or to spend a lot of your precious time. With only one click, and like all of our products, working with this template is very easy. If you would like to download this style, you can refer to hyperpix.net, and with subscribing and getting a VIP membership, you can get hold of this style and hundreds more that are available and use them in your different projects. Okay, I'll make it short and easy for you. Let's go for editing this fantastic and beautiful style. For editing, all we need to do is right click on the yellow layer, and once we click on the yellow layer, we click edit content. Over here 2 layers exist that we can edit each one separately and easily. Like this, I will write my text now. And once I write my text, I can place it in the center like this. I will write my second text like this. I will write the next text. And okay, I would like to change the font. You have a lot of freedom and choices, and you could pick any font you wish to, as there's no limits for the fonts or languages that you wish to use. This template is not only for English, and you have a lot of freedom to use any language or font you would like to for this style, and it would look excellent. Okay, I have written my text and changed my font and it looks beautiful. Now we want to adjust the wave that is faded. So with double clicking on this icon and choosing pattern, like this, I can bring the pattern a little higher and place it here. I want my wave to be a little smaller, so I can put the scale on 50. You will see the wave is a little smaller. So I have this one bigger and this one smaller. I can move this one about as well. I will double click, and as you see, very easily I can place this one anywhere and click OK. Everything is finished. All I need to do is close it and click save and wait for my style to load. And now you see the results. It doesn't need any recommending. It's very attractive and beautiful, and it was very easy to get here. Okay, that was from effects folder. Now I will open extrusion. If you would like to decrease the depth, you can open extrusion folder and scroll down to the end. And once you reach the end, you can turn off the eye for each layer. If you notice any more, I turn them off. The depth will decrease. It's very simple like this. You can leave any eye on or off if you wish to. It's totally up to you, and it's a very unique option. I think that's enough from here, but I will temporarily turn it off because extrusion is one of those layers that may bring the editing speed down. And when all of our work is finished, I will switch it back on at the end again. This folder is, the first folder is adjustments for light and color settings and the noise that is spread all over the image. The first folder is the color adjustments. I can change the color simply by moving this handle and reach the color that I wish to. Okay, the next folder is vignette, the shadow that you can have like this, and you can choose a color for it. You can increase and decrease the opacity, and it can be a special ability. The next part is the noise on, noise off. It's for transmitting a nostalgic feeling that we have used this noise for. Some may not like it. It's very easy, you can switch it on or off, and as you see, there's no noise on the image. Just pay attention that one of these two has to be turned on or off. Never turn both of them off at the same time or on at the same time. If they're both off, it will be dark, and if they're both on, it will be too bright. The next folder is sparkles. The sparkles that exist here on the style and cover the artwork, they are to make the text more attractive. You can choose them one by one and place them in different parts of the text. For example, I will leave one remaining and delete the rest. I will take one of them and make it a bit smaller with Ctrl and T and place it here and there with Alt and Ctrl and drag them and make copies and place them here and there on the different areas of the text. It would make your editing faster and easier. I won't continue because it might take a lot of our time, but I recommend you to do so and carry on, and place them in the right place and make it look excellent. The next layer is the text over here. You can move it easily. You can change the font, change the text or font like this, and you can write your text as I'm doing. And this part gives you a complete handle. For example, I would place it over here and it should be okay. The next folder is effects that we don't need to use. It's the main style of this work. I only turn off extrusion. If you would like, you can turn off the glow as well. Well, it's the light that exists around the star, and if you like it, you can leave it on. Finally, we have the background. This background, we don't have much, just gradient that exists here, and you can disable it. We are done. I will turn on extrusion and you can see how beautiful and excellent the text has turned out and turned into this style. The results of the work is outstanding. Let's go and insert our logo into this style. I will come back into this window and bring and drag my logo here into this window, and I will place it right in the center over here. I will delete one of the text, and this one I want to transfer my style. I will click on the layer that has the style and copy it, and click on the logo and paste the style, and you can see how beautiful it has transferred. I don't need this text, I will delete it and double click on the icon and adjust the pattern. Okay, our pattern's on the right place, I'm guessing. Over here should be fine. I'll click OK, close it and click save. You can see how easily and beautiful it has converted into this fantastic style. We don't need this text over here. As I recently said, you can copy the sparkles and place them in different parts of the text. Okay, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, by referring to hyperpix.net, you can subscribe and get a VIP membership. You can get hold of this style and all of our other products that exist in our site and use them in your personal and commercial projects, as there's no limits for using them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, to another video.